Hello guys. In this tutorial 9, we will learn about Bootstrap button styles. In this tutorial, we will learn about Bootstrap buttons and types of buttons, how to create buttons, how we put hashtag href attribute of the link, buttons outline, button sizes, button level, block level buttons, active or disabled buttons, spinners buttons. First of all, Bootstrap buttons. What are Bootstrap buttons? Bootstrap provides different styles of buttons. To create buttons, the buttons classes can be used on anchor tag, button tag or input tag elements. Get to make a new file, tutorial9.html, and the first step is to import HTML document type. Copy the CSS file, go to the Google Chrome. Here go to the Google Chrome, Bootstrap. Here go to the, let's connect Wi-Fi. Sorry, the connection weak. Connected, and now the get Bootstrap site opens, and copy the CSS file and paste it to the head section. Now copy the JavaScript file, separate file, not the bundle, only copy the separate file. Copy here. Simply it is copied. First, how to create buttons. First of all, we have to create a button type. First of all, button type, button, and we have to make a class btn used for button, and in this way we have make a button, but we have to make a button with colors. We have to make a button primary button. Make a btn-primary. In this way the button has been built. Save it and open with live server. Here you can see the button. In this button we do not have any text. First of all, we have to get into a container class, .container. Here make this div, and here we write primary. Save it, and here you can see the button primary. In this way we have to declare a button. In this way we declare the button. Next we have created all the types of button. For example, primary, secondary, info, success, warning, dark, light, every buttons. Or you can also make a basic buttons. We don't need to make each button. You have to practice each button. Here you can only change the primary keyword for other types of buttons. In this, to create buttons, the button classes can be used on anchor tag, button or input tag. I will show you how this works. First of all, we have used to anchor tag, ahref href hashtag class btn info, make class info, and role button, and here close it, and here you can see the link button, and here write link button, sorry, control Z, here you show link button. So save it, and here you can see the link button. With link tag you can also use this button. So the next we have to create with button. The button is created upon this button type button, but we have to make with input element. So with input element, write input type button, and then class btn primary, and then you have to value, you have to give a value, give it a value, that is input button, and close that. You have to save it, and here you can see the input button, link button, primary button. In this way we have to create all the buttons with the help of anchor tag, button tag, and input element. These are the three elements. So now why do we put a hashtag in the href attribute of the link? So here you can see that I have putting the hashtag to the href anchor tag. So this is because since we do not have any page to link it to, and we do not want to get a 404 message, we put hashtag as the link. In real life it should of course be a real URL to the search page. We do not have any URL for now, but in future we have a URL from where we have to move our traffic to our another page. So what is the next? Button outline. So make a button outline primary. So make a button type button, class, declare a class which you want, get the property btn secondary, and we use a class, see the class which is button outline primary. So in this way we have button outline secondary, and we make a secondary light secondary here. So save it, and here you can see there is a button hover effect, and there is a outline to this button, and of course these three buttons do not have any outline and does not have any hover effect. Secondary is input tag. So here you can see the different types of outline. This means outline. And now we have to declare the sizes. So first of all copy that line, paste it here, change the color, write dark, and we need the button large, btn-large. So here is cancel and save it, and here you can see the button is the high size from other 4 buttons. You have many, you have to make a small button. So here we can copy again it and paste it and make the class large to small sm. So save it, and here you can see the button is being in small size. So here you can see the primary button is in small size. In this there is a large size, and this is the default size. So now Bootstrap outline, Bootstrap sizes, block level buttons. Add class dot button hyphen block to create a block level button that spans the entire width of the parent element. So make another div dot container, and in this we write that, paste the button, and in this we have to, which class? Are you remembering that class? Button hyphen block. So button hyphen block, there is that class, and save that class, and here you can see the, it covers the entire. We make a container class. If we do not make a container class, then see what happens. So save it here, and you can see the entire, it covers the entire width of the viewport. So here you can see the block level buttons. Now we have active and disabled buttons. A button can be set to an active, appear pressed, or disable unclickable state. The class .active makes a button appear pressed, and the disabled attribute makes the button unclickable. Note that at anchor element do not support the disable attribute. Must there be used disable.class to make it visually appear disabled. So make that. In this we have disabled. Here you can see the disabled class, and save it, and here you can see the button is the last primary button. It is not clickable, it is unclickable. It is unclickable, and these are the clickable buttons. The disabled class make the buttons disabled, and active class make the active buttons. Active. So save it, and here you can see the difference. So the last topic is our spinner buttons. You can also add spinners to a button. For the reference of spinners, button class button primary is the class which we have included, and we need a span tag which is used as a inline element. In this we have to write spinner border small, and we have a write a loading in this button. So let us try that. So copy that code and paste it into your HTML. So paste it. So make a small. Here you can see there is nothing, any button. So we have to write each code. So make a button, type button, and classes class button btn-primary. So here we can just like that. So here we can, in this button we have a span class which we have loading the spinners. Press enter here and make a span class spinners outline spinner border spinner, that is called spinner, not spinners. Spinners border and spinner border small. Spinner border small. For small we use SM. So in this we have span the, and where we write loading. In this we write loading after span. So LOADING, loading and dots for more. So save it, and here you can see the spinners. That was the spinners for loading. That's the good looking spinners, and you can use these spinners for small, large spinners, grow, every type of spinners you can use. You get a reference from getbootstrap.com. That was the official website. In the next video we will learn about button groups, and in the previous video we will learn about Jumbotron. That's not Jumbotron, it's about alerts. So if you like this tutorial, then like, comment and subscribe. So thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video.